Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to find music for your videos. Then I'm gonna edit this music with you using Premiere Pro to create amazing videos. Now, intro from Alesund, Norway. Let's start saying that you have free music and you have also music that you have to pay. Of course, free music is like lower quality, but still is good if you want to start. For example, YouTube has a nice library of music that you can use, not being afraid of like this copyright or this kind of things like strikes or something like that. What I will not suggest you to use is the search in YouTube and put like music free of copyright or things like that. For different reasons, I'm going to leave you a link here of a video where I explain all of this. I did this video like a month ago. Now, if we start to talk about platforms to pay, there's a lot in the internet. It's like between $15 to $20 per month, and they're allowing you to use all their music with no problems of copyright. But there is a catch, there is a problem, that if you have more than one YouTube channel, you will have a big issue, because these platforms are just for one YouTube channel. And if you have, for example, a wedding or you have an event or some projects, you have to pay extra for that music, and that is a problem. But I found a platform that I'm using for a few months already. It's called Audio, and it's amazing because with one subscription you can use the music for everything. 1,000 YouTube channels if you have. You can use it also for weddings, for everything that you want, every project, every job that you get. And the best of this is that you have two options. You can pay per month, still is going to be cheaper than the other platforms, that you can pay per month, it's okay, but you have one option that you pay one time and it's a lifetime subscription. One time, and you have music for the rest of your life. You don't have to worry about it. But you know what? Let's go to Premiere Pro. I'm gonna show you how to look for music, and then I'm gonna edit the music. Okay guys, as we can see, we have few videos here, and what we're going to do before we add the music to the videos is choose the correct part of the videos. Like for example, I double click here, and I already chose this part over here of the video. You see, from here to here, I think this is the best part of that footage, so that's what I'm going to use. Now, we don't need the audio, so we're just gonna pull the video here, and we're gonna do the same with most of the videos that we have here. We're gonna choose the videos, like for example this one over here. This is the part that I chose, so this is what I'm going to add, just the video. I don't need the audio of these videos. Now I'm gonna select the best parts of all the videos that we have here, and then we're gonna add the music. But don't worry if you think that the length is too long, because we're gonna be cutting the videos based in the beat of the music to make it nice, and then we're gonna add some transitions to these videos. So to save time, I'll be choosing the videos now. Okay guys, now I chose all the parts that I wanted, and now it's time to choose the music. So we're gonna go to the platform called Audio, and let's choose the song, and then let's come back here to edit it. Okay guys, we're in the platform. We're gonna click here in Browse so we can look for the music for a video. We want something happy, something like fast. So what we're gonna do is here you can see genre. We're gonna click here, and I like to use rock and roll most of the time, but in this case maybe indie would be nice. Let's click in indie. You can choose whatever you want. Then we're gonna click here. As you can see here, indie is marked already. In mood, we can look here, aggressive, chill, cheerful could be, but you know what, let's click happy. Okay, now we minimize this. You can see you have already indie and happy. And then you know what, I want a fast pace, so in BMP I'm gonna go like 260 over there. Okay, 165 to 250, so you see it's a little fast. So we have all of this music, so let's try fast to look for something we can like. Instrumental, it's nice for some videos, but I want something with a voice. So let's click here, for example, Van Steetzes. Let's see. You can also go forward, just clicking over here, and you just go forward to the song. It's nice. I don't think it's what I want for the video. Let's go for the next one. I think I like this one, so what I'm going to do is to click here in the heart, as you can see, and then it's marked, so then we can keep going to look for more, and then we decide which one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to download it. You see here the arrow pointing down. You're gonna click here. Then you're gonna select the project type. It's gonna be personal? No, because personal normally is when you wanna do something for your university, for your family, something personal. In this case, it's gonna be a short feature film. As you can see, you can do advertisement, business, you can do everything with the subscription here. So it's crazy. So let's go to short feature film. And then here in select distribution, you're gonna put internet. And if you want to know why, you can go here in this question mark and you can see that this is the best option for YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram, and we're gonna do YouTube, so I think this is okay. You can experiment, you can browse here and you can check which is the best option for you. Then we're gonna create the license. This is what is gonna help the musician to get the royalties for him, and then it's done. Now you have your license done, and then you click download now. Imagine for a lifetime subscription, one payment, you will have this forever, and then you just download the song, and as you can see, it downloads the song very fast and it's very high quality. So now we just click here, and now let's go to Premiere Pro to use the song. Okay, now we pull the song here. The first thing to do, let's get closer here. You know that sometimes when you have a song, it doesn't start exactly in the moment. I want the song to start exactly with the video. So let's go here. There you go. As you can see also, if we do it like this, the song is super long and the video is like 30 seconds. But don't worry, there's a way to fix this. Let's go in the beginning and we're gonna start to cut with the beats of the song. Normally it's the bass and sometimes it's the drums. So I'm gonna leave the song play and I'm gonna show you how to cut in the beats. I'm gonna make it a little bigger, okay? And I'm gonna make this bigger so you can actually also see the beats, yeah? Let's cut it. You see, it's the beat of the drums then, pa! And there I'm going to cut the video and I'm gonna pull this one here and we're gonna keep going. They're starting to sing here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a mark exactly here where they start to sing, okay? This video, this footage is too long, so I wanna use this footage also, and I want it to be here exactly finishing, okay? So we're gonna do like this. Let's see. There. I think I can cut and I can put this footage here. You see, I'm gonna erase this part. Sorry about that. There you go. And little by little, we're going to be cutting the videos in the beats, but it's up to you and your creativity exactly in which beat and how are you going to do it. So I'm gonna do this with the whole video and then I'm gonna come back to you to see what else can we do. Okay, I edited all, I cut it exactly with the beats, but there is a problem. Look at the song. The song is like 10 times bigger than the video. The video was 30 seconds and now the video is going to be just like 21 seconds. So we cut like 9 seconds of footage. So what we're going to do now is to reduce the song, to make the song fit exactly these 21 seconds. How are we going to do it? It would take a long time if I explain you how. So let's make it easier. I did a tutorial on how to do this with Adobe Audition. It's extremely easy. I'm telling you, many people were commenting, oh my gosh, I didn't know you could do that. This is amazing. You can make any song fit the length of your video. This is incredible. So I will suggest you to go. I'm going to leave you the link here on the top and also in the description so you can check that tutorial. So we're going to skip this part. Imagine that you watched the tutorial and you already did it. And we're going to go to the part that I already did it. Okay, now the song fits exactly these 21 seconds that we had in the video. But what are we going to do? Mario, you can export the video now. Everything is cool. It's done. No. It's not done. You cannot do a video like that. You have to fix little things. What I'm going to do now is to mute the song so it's not going to disturb, and I'm going to show you something. Look at this footage. I did it handheld. You can see it's moving a little bit. It's not such a big thing, but it's moving a little bit. We want to make something perfect. We have to put effort, okay? So what we're going to do is come here, and I'm going to put some warp stabilizer here. There you go. I'm gonna be honest, I have few videos like this, so I'm gonna look for all of them and I'm gonna put the warp stabilizer in the ones that need a little bit of stabilization. Okay, now everything is stabilized, this footage is nice, and then if you check this footage, I already used a gimbal here, so it doesn't need anything here. But you will say, oh Mario, now export the video. No, I still have to make it beautiful, you know, make something nice. So what I'm going to do is to come here and start to put some transitions. Let's make it beautiful. So if we come here, there you go, and I'm gonna show you how to use the transitions, okay? We're gonna come here in effects and in presets and look at this. You have 100 transitions, 100. Mario, where did you get it from? Come on, few months ago, I gave you a pack of 100 transitions for free. If you didn't get them, I'm leaving you the link here. So put pause in this video, go to that link,
watch the video on how to install these transitions and then get the pack for free. Install it in your Premiere Pro, and then you can come back to the video and watch how am I doing it. We have to cut the parts of the video where the transition is going to be, and I'm going to click Shift, because I don't know if you knew this, but if you go with the cursor to the left, for example, it's going to move frame by frame, right? Okay, let's go back in the middle. If you press Shift and you move to the left, it goes 5 frames exactly. I'm gonna cut there. Now to the right, boom, 5 frames, boom, 5 frames, and we cut here. Now what are we gonna do is to look for a transition. Which transition, Mario? Oh, let's see. I think we can put this one, cross pin left. So of course that means that you're gonna put it in the left, and then the right one, we're gonna put it in the right. Now I'm going to show you frame by frame more or less what this transition is doing. Look at this. Ooh, nice. It's very nice. Now we're going to the next footage. Just listen to this. You don't need to use transitions in every single cut that you have, because then it's going to look bad. I mean, so many transitions, so many effects. It doesn't look bad. Don't over edit your footage. So I think here we can leave it how it is. I'm not going to add any transition because here is with the camera. Look at this, in camera transition. How to do it? Okay, I'm gonna leave you another link here on the top, because I did a tutorial on how to do transitions with the camera. I went with my wife for a walk. It was so nice in the woods in Slovenia, and then I started to make the tutorial and do a lot of transitions, everything with the camera. So you can watch that tutorial as well. So I'm gonna keep adding transitions to the video, and then we're going to see the final video.
Guys, in the description below, I'm gonna leave you a coupon with a huge discount if you decide to go for this lifetime subscription with audio. It's a lifetime subscription, guys, come on. Also, I'm gonna leave you all the links of the tutorials that I was mentioning during this video. And if you wanna support me to keep creating videos like this, I'm gonna leave you another link where you can actually, this is literally, you can invite me a cup of coffee.